In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master layer selection in Figma, a skill essential for any design professional looking to enhance their workflow and efficiency. Whether you're a beginner just getting your feet wet in design or a seasoned pro, mastering this feature will bring a new level of precision and control to your projects. So, let's dive in. First, we'll open Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that designers all over the world have come to rely on for its robust feature set and intuitive user experience. If you're already familiar with Figma, you know that it's a cornerstone of modern design, allowing teams to work in real time anywhere. Once you've navigated to the Figma website, you'll want to click on the Login option. Make sure you have your credentials handy to access your workspace seamlessly. Once logged in, head over to your Figma homepage. This is your dashboard of recent files and projects. It's like a digital hub, providing quick access to everything you're currently working on. Here, you want to locate the project you need to dive into. Notice how the interface is designed to be intuitive, guiding you visually to the next steps. Now let's focus on clicking the Design tab. This will bring you into your work environment. The Design tab is where the magic happens, the canvas for your creativity. It's organized to maximize your focus and streamline your workflow, with tools and options neatly aligned for easy access. The next step is crucial, clicking on the Layers panel. This panel is akin to your control center. It displays a structured view of every element in your project. Understanding how to navigate and manipulate layers is vital, as it allows you to precisely select and organize everything, from individual components to entire frames. Start by clicking on specific layers to select them. If you're dealing with a complex composition, you can hold down the Shift key to select multiple layers at once. This multi-layer selection will be particularly useful for grouping elements or applying consistent styles across your design. If precise selection is needed, utilize the Select Layer function accessible via a right click, providing a more granular approach to your selection process. Take advantage of features like Hide Layer or the Lock function to manage visibility and protect your work from accidental edits. These tools located in the Layers panel provide an extra layer of control over your project, ensuring that you can adjust your focus and maintain the integrity of your design. With practice, mastering layer selection becomes second nature, unlocking a world of creative possibilities and making your design process more effective. Keep exploring, and each project will become an opportunity to refine your skills further. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.